Hello there, guys. I hope you're doing well. It's just a few days to Christmas. Those who are big on Christmas, I hope you have fun. I hope you enjoy. Yeah. So today we are talking about the websites, the best website to find work from home jobs that you can be paid daily. So now these are websites that anybody, whether it's a beginner or an advanced person or freelancer, can find jobs and do them and get paid even within 24 hours. So guys, it doesn't matter whether you have experience, whether you are a newbie, whether you have never done this before. This website welcomes everyone, as long as you're willing to put in the work, of course. So thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. If you're new here, thank you for clicking. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online, personal finance, side hustles, personal development videos. If that is the kind of content you're looking for, please just do me a favor and click the red button to subscribe to the channel, of course. You'll be helping me to grow my channel by doing that. Also, click the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up if this video interests you. That way you are helping the algorithm find me and also take this information to the people that need it the most. So thank you so much as you purpose to do that. And let's get into the video. So the first website that will pay you for doing online work is called CloudSurf.com. CloudSurfWork.com. That is how you'll search for it. So this is a transcription website. We are always hiring new transcribers to turn audio into text, work from home on your own schedule, and at your own pace. You are paid per task. So the more you work, the more you earn. So those are the rules. So now if you are a beginner on this website, of course, they say that you can start with basic transcription, then earn promotions to higher paying tasks. And they have given you 3 simple steps to get started. So you sign up and then join CloudSurf and then start CloudSurfing. So this is where you start picking tasks and completing them. They also have some tips. So now you'll watch the video just to get started. So that is number 1. This is for transcription. Those who are interested in transcription, those who have good listening skills, you have high typing speeds, and you love this kind of work. So now website number 2 is Appen. So you'll search for connect.appen.com. And then when you get here, of course, to get started, you'll click apply and then follow the prompts to get started. And then now the types of jobs. This one has different jobs, not just one. So when you come here, you can be able to either do social media evaluation, translation services. We also have transcription. We have surveys. We have speech evaluation. We have image annotation, we have video annotation, we have sensor data annotation. So now it is you and your skills. Now if you have skills in transcription or if transcription is what you want to do, then you will go for transcription jobs. If it is surveys, whether it is translation, all those are here. Simply click apply to get started. You can also come here and click how to get started, how it works, read through and see the rules and what it requires and see if it is something that you can do, and then you can go ahead and apply. Number 3 website is Swagbucks. This one is for surveys. So again, you'll come here and click sign up. When you click, after clicking sign up, of course you'll come and read about Swagbucks. This one you get reward points which you can redeem. So now is the web's most popular loyalty and consumer rewards program. Members of this free reward service get free cards or cash for every activities they are already completing online. So guys, if you are if you cannot, you're the person that cannot put their phones down, yeah, then this is the side hustle for you. So now you'll be paid to search the web, play games, watch videos, shop online, and you will make money. Yes, you'll make money doing these things that you're already doing actually on your phone. So go over to swagbucks.com, sign up, and then get started. So ways to earn money, different ways to earn money with this app. Shop online for cashbacks. So you'll come here and simply click whichever interests you, simply click and then read about it. Make money playing games, install the Swagbucks browser extension, answer surveys for money, shop online, scan your receipts for cash. Can you imagine? You even get paid to scan your receipts. As simple as that. So guys, I hope you can check swagbucks.com out. So now let us go to the third, is it the third or the fourth? The fourth app where you can earn money online doing different tasks is enrollapp.com. Enrollapp.com. So now this one, of course, as per usual, you'll come to register if it is your first time to come to this website. Input your email and password and any other details that they are asking for. So now this one is for those who want to become testers. You know, if someone has made an app and they want to know how it is working, how effective it is before they launch it, now your work will be to be the first person to use that particular app and then give your honest review. Yeah. So again, this is one of the side hustles for those people who love their phone or tablet. So if you are addicted to your phone, make good use of it by earning money online by being a tester. So again, you earn rewards which you can be able to withdraw via PayPal. Yeah, that's it about Enroll app. You can see different tests have been taken so far, 651,000. Yeah, that's a good number. It shows that it is a company that is trustworthy, that has been there for some time. So let's go to the last app, and this is secondtonone.com. So for those who want to engage in mystery shopping, this is the place for you. So now different companies will employ you to try out things on their behalf, like you as the customer, so that they can see what people think about their products. And this is where mystery shopping comes in. So you'll go and you'll go to secondtonone.com and then sign up, and then click get started. So now when you click join mystery shoppers, how to become a shopper, you'll be brought here where there's a good information on how to get started. So it partners with the leading brands across the US and Canada. So now work is made available on assignment by assignment basis, and that is how you'll get paid. You'll work as an independent contractor, and then benefits. Secret shopping enables you to earn extra income. Restaurant assignments include meal, tax. I think this one is specific to this area. I don't think people outside North America can apply to this one. But anyway, that is what online work is. Sometimes your area is not included in those that are able to access the service, but there's no problem. There are so many other services that you can access, as we will continue to discuss on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed, you better do so. So guys, that's it. If you have been wondering where you can get online jobs of any kind. I hope those 4 websites have helped you to head into the right direction. Comment down below and let me know if this video was helpful. If you have learned something, I hope so. If you have enjoyed it, I also hope so. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button. Click the notification bell and let's meet in the next video. See you guys.